Hi, this is me just trying to do a bit of video of my engines, the 3D printed engines that I got. This one is a Class 60s engine. I say the detail's really good on them. Just have to get them painted up. Probably suggest to wash them beforehand because they are a bit like sticky on them. So best thing to do is wash them in soapy water, let them dry thoroughly. Probably put some primer on them and then use acrylics to paint them in different colours. I say this is for the Class 60. Let's say for a tenner they're not bad. Well, it's just short of a tenner. It's probably £9.50 plus postage.